Today we're going to look at a 2015 Chevy 2500 HD with the Duramax in it. Customers complain about the vehicle is that the ignition is very hard to turn when you put the key in the ignition lock cylinder, and it kind of makes a funny noise, he said. The main concern being they're worried that the ignition is going to quit functioning and the vehicle will be disabled. So we bring the vehicle in, inspect it. As you can see here, we're turning the key in the lock cylinder. We decide that the lock cylinder does need to be replaced. Ordered one from GM to make sure that we have good original equipment to put back into this vehicle. As you can see here, we have to key the new ignition lock cylinder to the original key to make sure the customer doesn't have to have two keys. It's kind of a pain, one for the door, one for the ignition. So by taking a little extra time and doing this, we keep the key the same for the door lock and the ignition. Get that all put back together, reinstall it into the vehicle, verify it that it does in fact turn easy like it should, like it did when it was new. Make sure all the functions of the vehicle are working so we don't have any security issues or anything like that. Start it up and we're all set. So if you think your key isn't working correctly, big thing to do is to make sure you don't wait until it stops functioning completely. We have to be able to turn the key to remove the ignition lock cylinder from the steering column. And if it gets to the point where we can't turn the key at all, then we have to drill it out, and it's exponentially more expensive for the consumer if they wait too long to the point where the key won't function at all. So if you're having any issues with your keys turning in your ignition, or you're not quite sure and you want to make sure you don't have any issues, please feel free to stop by or give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.